It's time to shoot a video.
Hi guys, it's me, Pauline, aka The Awkward Domestic. Today I'm going to walk you through how I restyled my dining room to accommodate my outdoor plants for fall.
Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.
So first up, let me remind you of what the dining room usually looked like. It was cute, but since my birds of paradise already started to show signs of stress, signs of stress from the cold weather, I decided to bring them in. Putting a 5-foot tall plant on the center of a dining room table is a little over the top, but where else was I gonna put it? I blame Alfredo for this current setup because if he weren't such a patient person, there is no way I would have even considered doing this. Before, the dining room was cute, but it was really lacking height, which is something I love. This little guy used to be the centerpiece of the table. He was sitting up on a cake stand so that I could get some additional height. No cake stand needed for these beauties. You may have noticed the birds of paradise are a little bit rough. That's because they were extremely root bound and I didn't notice until they fell down our front stairs. I'm going to insert a picture of the roots. Alfredo helped me pull their bases apart, and you're going to repot each of the 2 halves in one of these big pots. We had to trim back a lot of the larger leaves, but if I have a healthier plant in the long run, I'll be happy. It's been so nice just relaxing in here with all of the greenery and looking up at our birds of paradise. I think the red and the green really pop against one another. It's exactly what I was looking for. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Please be sure to like and subscribe.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me.